There you go, folks. Look inside the shelter. Here's the rig wallets. Plenty of different rigs, and then reel case, bit of fuel for the body, headlights, spare reels, measure, and then on this side of me we have bike track, basically some sand eels in that bag there. We've got fresh lug, frozen lug there. That's just ordinary frozen lug, salted and frozen. So that's what we have there. There's a look up the V3. There's where we're fishing out into. There. So we're on Ennaroylie. Back to more familiar beaches, I suppose. Back home after our trip last week down to Wexford, fishing that winter festival.